One song, 10 minutes. Will I be able to do it? Let's find out. Clock starts. Yeah. I'm gonna start with the bass kick. Need headphones. Don't have time for mistakes. Guitar. I guess I don't need these at the moment. Pick. That's tight. Okay. Dang it. That's it. Banjo. I gotta do that with headphones on because it'll make bad noises. Oh, there goes my pick. Alright. That's it. Let's get some vocals. 1 minute 47 seconds. Gotta feel it. Yeah. Doing what I can, don't you understand? Get it! So I just realized that I made a grave mistake. I didn't select the right channel, so everything that I recorded for my vocals was just a flat line. What I'm gonna have to do is take the audio from the camera, import it into my software, and use that. Let's check it out. I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I wanna find a pile of gold, sit on top of it, and get old. Make some beats and grow my hair. Do the things that people do when they don't care. So let's go there. Oh, I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I'm a mountain man, and you can't stop me, no you can't. Ooh, I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I'm a mountain man, you can't stop me, no you can't. Back once again in the homeland, doing what I can, don't you understand? Yeah, I'm a man on my own, so I must stand on my own 2 feet. Yeah, just feeling the beat, doing what I do best. Get it off of my chest, relieve that stress. Oh, and I'm feeling oh so fresh. Get it! Oh, I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I'm a mountain man, and you can't stop me, no you can't. Ooh, I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I'm a mountain man, you can't stop me, no you can't. Oh yeah, yeah, come on now, come on now. Bring it down now, yeah. Slap your thigh if you're feeling fly, slap your thigh if you're feeling fly. Come on, that's right, let it ride. Oh, I'm a mountain man, doing what I can, don't you understand? I'm a mountain man, and you can't stop me, no you can't. Boop, 10 minutes. That was some goofy honky say shit. Hey everybody, Kyle Jaswinski here. Thank you for watching. That was epic. Totally goofy, but I had a wonderful time recording it. When I started to record vocals, basically none of my vocals were there. So there was no vocals recorded except for this camera. And this microphone has a totally different tone, but it worked. The track, obviously, is called Mountain Man. Last time, I gave myself time to move things around, grab instruments, adjust equipment as needed. This time, I did not. As you can tell, it was a little bit more challenging. I had to basically just go with it. And if you're wondering where I came up with the concept of the song, from a deep, dark place, because it was just on the spot. When you don't have that much time to think, your mind just kind of goes blah, and all of that came out. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, let me know. Hit that like button. Put a comment below if you think I'm just wild and crazy, or if you enjoy it, let me know what other things I can do. Hey, and you obviously enjoy my videos. Just hit the subscribe button. Stay in tune with what I'm doing because I'm having a whole lot of fun doing it, and I want you guys to enjoy it and help me grow my channel. Truthfully, my dream is to do this one day full-time. Not just YouTube, but to make music. That's my dream. Thank you all for supporting it.